Hey everybody, Alan Shepard, Bill Caldwell Ford over here in Hudson, Iowa. What I'm going to do for you this week is our new car feature of the week. This is a 2019 Fusion. In the Fusion we do have 5 models: S, SE, SEL, Limit Titanium, and then we have the Sport model. I want to talk about the S today because it is the more affordable vehicle in this lineup, but you're also going to get a lot of features with it and you're not going to lose out on it. What we're going to start with is this has pre-collision assist that is standard. What pre-collision assist does for you is we'll monitor what's happening in front of you in traffic and going your same direction you're going, and if needed it will assist on the braking and possibly stop it before you have an accident. That also works with pedestrians. What is also standard is what we call blind spot information management system. Also standard on this model is the blind spot information system, management system, whichever way you want to call it. What this actually does for you is when you're driving down the road and you go to make a lane change and you look into either one of your 2 mirrors, if this is lit up here, that means there is somebody in your blind spot. So even if you can't see them, they are there. We've all been there. We've looked over our shoulders. We checked the mirrors a couple of times. We went to make the lane change and unfortunately there was somebody there, and you get lucky you can avoid the accident. This also gives you what we call cross traffic alert. The cross traffic alert gives you the ability that when you're in a parking lot, let's say your local Target or Hy-Vee store, and you go to back out and you're having trouble looking down the lane to see if there is anybody coming, this will also tell you that there is somebody coming because it will shoot sonar out either side of the car, and that will light up in the mirrors along with giving you a warning system on it. So if you glance into the mirror, whichever mirror is lit up is the way that somebody's coming from. Also standard is a rear view camera. Previous models that used to be in the upper echelons, now that is standard in the whole lineup. What you also get in this car that is standard is lane keeping. Lane keeping will obviously assist you if you start to drift one way or the other. It will give you a warning through the steering wheel, and depending on the setting you have it on, it can help you correct it automatically. 8 airbags are standard. The engine is a 2.5 4-cylinder that's 175 horsepower. Gas mileage is into the 30s on the highway, 20s in town. So what I'm telling you about here is you're getting what we call our entry level into the Fusion, but you're getting a lot of features that you can't get in some of the other models that we go against. Come on in, take a look at the Fusion, and talk to any one of us.